student, today we are going to discuss test of divisibility. In a previous video, we discussed divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. But today we discuss the divisibility test of 11 and 7. So I hope all of you know the divisibility test of 2. What is the divisibility test of 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the unit place digit is divisible by 2. Divisibility test of 3 is a sum of the digit of the number. A number is divisible by 3 if a sum of digit of a number is divisible by 3. For example, we can take the one numbers like this 3, 4, 6, 9, 1, 1. Okay, so this number is divisible by 3 or not. How can we find? First we find the sum of digit of this number. So sum of digit, the digit of this number is 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 also here. Okay, so for divisibility test of 3, first we find sum of digit of the number. Sum of digit of digits, this is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, if you add them, then we obtain 24. Okay, 3 plus 4, this is equal to 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 1, 23 plus 1, 24. Okay, so here you can see the sum of digits is 24 and 24 is the multiple of 3. 24 is the multiple of 3, or you can say 3 divides 24. 3 divides 24, you can see here 24 is divisible by 3. How many times? 8 times. Okay, so you can see the sum of digit is, if the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, then you can say whole number is also divisible by 3. Okay, and so this is divisibility test of 3. If you divide it by 3, you can divisible by 3. Okay, so let's see this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so for this, if you divide it 3, 4, 6, 9, 1, 1 like this, 3 1 times 3 1 is 3. You know how to divide very well. So this is cancel. We bring down this 4 and here again 3 1 is 3, carry 1 and bring down this 6. This is equal to 16 and the 16. So how many times? 5 times. 5 6 3 is 15. This is 1. Again this carry down 9. This is equal to 19. So how many times? Again 6 times. 6 3 6 is 18. Okay, this is 6 times 18 and subtract them. We open here 1 carry and bring down this one. This becomes 11. So this is equal to 11, and if you divide 11 by 3, the after quotient is 3. 3 is 9. Here 9. Then you have to here 2. 11 minus 9, they have to here 2, and we have to bring down this one. So this it should become 21. And 7 times, this is divisible by 21s. Okay, 21s 7 times. Okay, so you can see here, if you divide, if the sum of digit of this number is divisible by 3, then this number is also divisible by 3. How many times? 11,567 times. Okay, now we are going to take another example. So the sum of the number is not divisible by 3. Then and that number is also not divisible by 3. After this we discuss divisibility by 11. Okay, and suppose we take one any random numbers 7 2 3 4 2. Okay, these numbers. So this number is divisible by 3 or not. How you know? So first you find according to the divisibility test of 3. Divisibility test of 3 and divisibility test of 9 both are same. Okay, a number is divisible by 3, or you can say number divisible by 9 if the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, or you can say sum of digit of the number is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 3, or that number is divisible by 9. Okay, so here we take a random number 7,12,342. Okay, so this number is divisible by 3 or not? How we check? First you find the sum of digit of the number. Sum of digit, first write here sum of digits. What is it? You know very well. Here this is digit of these numbers. Okay, so you write here sum of digit. Sum of digits. Okay, so this is equal to, you can see digit is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2. Clear? So we sum it. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 2 19. So here you can see this is 19. Sum of digit is 19. So 19 is not divisible by 3. This is clear. It means that this number is not divisible by 3. So let's check by actual division methods. This number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, because the sum of digit is 19. Here you can see sum of digit is 19 and 19 is not divisible by 3. It means that according to the divisibility test of 3, this number is not divisible by 3. So we are going to verify it by actual division methods. Okay, and we check that if this really a number, sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. If sum of digit of the number is not divisible by 3, then that number is not divisible by 3. So we use here to verify it by actual division method. So let's see here. I hope all of you know how to divide. Okay, so here we write this number 7,12,342. Okay, we use actual division methods to divide this number, because here we find the sum of the number, sum of digit of this numbers is 19. 90 is not multiple of 3, or you can say 3 does not divide 90. It means that this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, so we write here 3. This is dividend, this is divisor, this is 7. So 2 times you can write here 2, 3 to just 6, and then subtract them. Then we obtain here 1 and bring down this one. This becomes 11, and here this becomes 11, and 3 3 is 9. Okay, so here we take right here quotient 3 to the right of 2. So 3 3 is 9, and we subtract them. Again we find here 2. Okay, and bring down these 2. So this becomes 22. So 22 is our new dividend, and when divided by 3, we obtain 7 times 7 times. So here 7 3 is 3 7 is 21, and when we subtract them, we obtain here 1. Okay, and now again we divide by, bring down these 3 here. This is remainder 1. When we bring down this 3 here, this is equal to 13, and 13 is our new dividend. Again we divide this 13 by 3, so we get the quotient is 4. So we write here this quotient 4, and 4 3 are 12, 3 4 are 12, and we subtract them, and we have here 1. 1 is our remainders. Okay, and we next bring down next digit 4. Okay, when we bring down this 4 here, so our remainder becomes 14. 14 is our new dividends. Okay, now again this is our dividend. If you divide by 3, then we obtain quotient of 4. So this is again 4, and here 3 4 is 12, and we subtract them, then we obtain here 2. Okay, and again we bring down 2. This is 2 is our remainder. When we bring down these 2, then it becomes 22. Okay, so 22 is our new dividend, and we divide by 3 this 22, then we obtain quotient is 7. So 3 7 ja 21. So you can see here when you subtract them, then you obtain here 1. 1 is the remainder. You can see here 1 is the remainder. So this is true that if the sum of digit of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. If sum of digit of a number is not divisible by 3, then that number is not divisible by 3. So you can see here. So we take two examples. In first examples, you can see the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, and then that number is also divisible by 3. We verify that by using actual division methods. And this is second example. We can find sum of digit here, and this is 19, and this number 19 is not divisible by 3. So it means that this number is not divisible by 3. So here we solve it, we divide it by actual division methods, and we find a remainder of 1. Okay, so you can say that if a number is divisible by 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit of the number is also divisible by 3. Okay, now again divisibility test of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the number from right, last two digit of the number is divisible by 4. Okay, like this last two digit number of the is divisible by 4. If a number is like suppose any numbers 4 8 2 1 8 0 6 4. Okay, this number is divisible by 4 or not. How to we check? We check last two digit. Last two digit is 64. If 64 is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, and similarly in the case of divisibility test of 8, a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digit means this last three 0 0 6 4 0 6 4 is this is last three digit. So this is something we cannot also 64. Okay, so if 64 or 0 6 4 64 is divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. So I hope all of you understood the divisibility test of 4 and 8. And the divisibility test of 5, a number is divisible by 5 if the unit place digit or last digit is 0 or 5. This is very easy. And the divisibility test of 10 is very easy, you know very well. A number is divisible by 10 if last digit or you can see unit place digit is divisible by 10. Unit place digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0, or you can see unit place digit is 0. Okay, and divisibility test of 6, a number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then the number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, and now we are going to discuss divisibility by 11, divisibility test of 11. So what is divisibility test of 11? Okay, a number is divisible by 11 if a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit at odd places and the sum of digit at even places either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, or you can say divisible by 11. So what is the divisibility test of 11? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit at the odd places and the sum of digit at the even places. Difference of the sum of digit at odd places. Difference if the difference of the sum of digit at odd places and the sum of digit at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11, or you can say multiple by 11. Multiple of 11 or divisible of 11. So that number divisible by 11. So let's see how to solve this. How to we take one example and then verify this divisibility of 11. Okay, So let's see. Now we are going to discuss divisibility test of 11. So first we discuss the definition divisibility by 11. So we know very well a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits at even places and the sum of digits at odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay. So first write with the definition of this divisibility test. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits at even places and the sum of digits at odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11 or divisible by 11. Okay, so you can see here this is a definition of a divisibility test of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit at the odd places and the sum of digit at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. So now we are going to take one example that we check this number divisible by 11 or not. Here you can see we take one select a number, okay, and this is divisible by 11 or not. How can you find? First we find sum of digit at even places, sum of digit at odd places. After this we find their subtracts or difference. If difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then you can see this number is divisible by 11. So, okay. So first let's know what is odd place, what is even place. Not odd number, even numbers. Don't be confused, because you know some students confuse odd number or even number. No, this is odd number. This is even place, odd place. So you can see this is even place. This is odd place. This is even place. This is odd place. This is even place. This is odd place. So you can see even place digit, odd place digit, even place digit, odd place digit, but not even number, odd number, even number, odd number. No, this is even place digit. Even 2 is odd. 2 is sorry. This is odd. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Okay. And this is odd. Odd place digit. Odd place. Okay. And this is even place digit. Okay. 2 is odd place digit, not odd numbers. Okay. Odd place digit. Okay. Not odd digit. Okay. So first we find the sum of odd place digit. Okay. Sum of digit at odd places. So we find here sum of digit at odd places. odd place. Okay, so odd place digit here you can see 2 plus 0 plus 1. 2 plus 0 plus 1. 2 is odd place digit, 0 is odd place digit, 1 is odd place digit. So here you can see we have done 3. Okay, now and again we find sum of digit at even place, sum of digit at even places. Okay, so sum of digit at even places. Okay, so this is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 9. 8 is even place digit, this 8 is also even place digit, and this 9 is also even place digit. We have select odd, even, odd plus even plus from right side. So okay, this is the right side. So here odd place digit, even place digit is 8, again plus 8 plus 9. Okay, first odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So you can write here 25. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 9 25. After you find the difference. What is difference of them? So difference is equal to, we find difference, this is equal to sum of digit at even places minus sum of digit at odd places. So even place digit, sum of digit at even place is 25. Okay, and the sum of digit at odd places is 3. So difference is 22. Here you can see difference is 22. 22 is the multiple of 11. Okay, so you can see this is divisible by 11. So it means that this number is divisible by 11, because according to the divisibility test of 11 is that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit at even place and the sum of digit at odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay, so here you can see the difference at odd places digit and even places digit is 22. 22 is divisible by 11. It means that this number is divisible by 11. So how can we check this number? So according to this test, we say that this number is divisible by 11 because the difference of even sum of even place digit and the sum of odd place digit is 22. Okay, so we check it by actual division method. This number is divisible by 11 or not. How can we check? By actual division methods. Okay, so let's see. According to this test, so this is divisible by 11. This is clear. I have no doubt. But we want to check it by actual division methods. Okay, so let's see. This is our given number 918082. 9180 and 82. This is our given number. Sorry. So I hope all of you know how to divide. So this is 11 is divisor and this is dividend, and we divide it by 8 times. So 11 8 88, and subtract this. We obtain here 11. This is equal to what? 3. Okay, and this is cancelled. Again we bring down this 8. This is equal to 38. Okay, 38. So how many times you divide by 11s? We divide it by 3 times. So 11 3s are 33. And subtract this, we obtain 5. And bring down this 0. Then this is the remainder 5. Again we bring down this 0. This is equal to what? This becomes 50. 50 is our new and dividend. And when we divide by 11, then we have quotient is 4. So you write 4, 11 4 is 44, and when we subtract this, okay, so we have to yes 6, and now we bring down this number. this digit, next digit 8. So this is the remainder. 6 is our remainder. When you bring down next digit 8, so it will become 68. So how many times? The 11 divided 6 times. Okay. So you write here 6 and 66. 11 6 is 66. Subtract them. Then you have here 2 and bring down these 2. This is remainder. When you write it 2, this becomes 22. 22 is our new dividend. Okay. Now divide by 11. How many times? 2 times. 11 to 22. So here you can see our remainder is 0. What is our remainder? This is 0. Okay. Now, so in this way we can say that if a number is divisible by 11, if the difference of sum of digit at even places and sum of digit at odd places is 0, either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay. So I hope all of understood this test of 11. Now we take another example and try to verify it. Okay. So now we raise them and we take another example. We take a random example, random numbers. Okay. Suppose 6, 9, 8, 7, 5, 0, 2, 8. This is number. This is so large number. This number is divisible by 11 or not. How can you find? First we find the sum of digit at even places and the sum of digit at odd places. After this we find their difference. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then you can say the number is divisible by 11. Okay. So first what we find here? Sum of digit at even places and odd places. We start from right. This is odd places, even place. Odd place, even place. Not odd number, even number. Okay. Odd place, even place. Odd place, even place. Okay. So this is an odd place. After this, even place. Odd place, even place. So you write here sum of digit at odd places. Places. This is equal to odd place. This is 8 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. So 8 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. This is equal to what? 24. Okay. So 8 plus 0. This is equal to 8. Again 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 9. This is equal to 24. Now we are going to find sum of digit at even places. Even place start from here 2, 5, 8, 6. This is even place digit. Okay. So we write here sum of digit at even places. This is equal to what? 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. This is equal to nothing but you can say 21. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 6 21. Okay. Now find their difference. Okay. So difference is equal to what? Difference of sum of digit at even places and the sum of digit at odd places. So sum of digit at odd places is 24 here minus 21. So you can see these numbers. Difference of their sums at even places digit and odd places digit is here. This is equal to 3. 3 is neither 0 nor multiple of 11 or divisible of 11 by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Here first we find the sum of digit at the odd places. Even odd places is 24. Even place digit sum of digit at even places is 21, and their difference is 3. Okay. So their difference is 3. So according to the divisibility test by 11 is that a number divisible by 11 if the difference of the odd place digit at and even place digit is either 0 or multiple by 11. So here you can see the difference is not 0, not multiple of or divisible of 11. So this is 3. So you can say this number is not divisible by 3. So student, I hope all of you understood the divisibility test of 11, and the next day we are discuss divisibility by 7s. So I hope all of you understood this test, and this is enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.